Hello and welcome to Slav Cooking Lessons. Today we're going to make some random food that I have no clue what would be good. So let's start. First we may want some ham. Right. Ignore the orange can, that's not important. So we got the ham there. Yes. So with the ham we need to cook it properly. So when we cook ham, just gotta get it, yeah, there we go. So this is our ham cooking. Now I'm not sure if you want, but we could add some banana. Oh shit, I got some on floor. But we could add banana. Very nice. I love my banana. And some cook. So once you have this already, you may be thinking, but Boris, what else can I add? Well, what you need to do now, you do not add anything more. You just get a knife and flip it over. Very nice. Make sure that the banana gets in there. Never be scared of flame. We do not care in Soviet Russia. Alright. Now, it's currently making noise, but I have not clue what happened. So we just flip out. Oh, hello. Oh, that's kind of red finger. We just need to open up ham. Here we go. Flame on the other side. Right. There we go. That almost nuked my health. That would not have been an ideal situation we have been in. So yes, this is my dish. I call it flaming spaghetti. Thank you and see you later.